Okay, I have an original effect to share with you today, and as you can see, I have 2 cards of each of the 13 card values, okay? And so what we would do here is just have the spectator kind of tell us how to randomly stack these pairs. Kings are over here, okay, just like this. And this is truly a random ordering of these things, okay? Now, since we've seen the cards, why don't we go ahead and begin to mix them. This is just a left-right shuffle here. How would you like the pile stacked? Left on right or right on, whoops, or right on left? You want left on right? If I can straighten them. These are brand new cards. Okay, so right on left is what you said. Okay, boy, these really are brand new. Okay, and then from here I'll go ahead and just give it a Charlier shuffle if they don't go sliding off my hand here. But most importantly, I'm going to have you come in here and just randomly cut the cards wherever you would like and complete the cut. Okay, very good. Now I might give the cards a little bit of a bend here because I don't know what they're doing. And maybe this way. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to mix them face up, face down. And I just need you, for now, to give me some odd numbers, like 1, 3, 5. Those are probably big enough. So 3? Okay, so I'm just going to push off 3 cards and then randomly cut. What about now? 1? Okay, 1's an odd number. That's just fine. What about now? 3 again. Okay, let's flip that. Okay, 5. That's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Flip. Okay, random cut. 3. 1, 2, 3. And we'll do maybe a couple more. 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I think we just flipped those over. 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let me do a couple more. Want some of these face up. 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You can also do just 1. You want to do 1? Okay, why don't we do a final one? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, very good. I think we got a good mixture, don't you? Okay, and now at this point, we're just going to deal out the cards into 2 piles, left, right, but we won't stack them this time. And I actually have a written prediction off to the side that we're going to take a look at in just a second. So what did I predict? These things are slippery. What did I predict would happen with our mixing here, where you very much decided how things were mixed with the answers that you gave? So let's just take a look here. So see, each pile will consist of 1 of each of the 13 card values. Okay, now in just a moment, we're going to talk about what's the probability that that would happen by chance alone in just a moment. But let's just see if this is even correct. And I'm going to slide this one over. So 1 of each card value. Okay, that's a 9. There's a 10. Okay, 8. Okay, very good. 3. 5. That's looking good. See a jack. That's nice. Ace would be over here, but try not to go off the camera view. 6 right there. 2 slides right in there. King would go there. 7 looks like it's going to fill that gap, and I think we are missing a queen right there. So did we achieve the outcome predicted? It looks like we did, and I would think by elimination these would have to be ace through king as well, which they would have to be since we started with pairs. But the question remains, how likely is this to happen by chance alone? Okay, so I asked that question. How likely is this to happen by chance alone? Now, I have kind of an unbelievable but true statement here. What you've just witnessed here in separating the cards so that there's 1 of each card value in the 2 piles, it's less likely than tossing 10 fair coins high up into the air and having all of them randomly land heads up. So what you've witnessed here is less likely than witnessing that. Having 10 coins in your hand, tossing them up into the air, while in the air you call for heads on all 10 coins. And then everyone around is watching the coins bounce and eventually settle down on the table. And guess what? every one of those 10 coins is heads up. That's how unlikely this outcome is that you've just witnessed us pulling off with these 26 cards. Okay? And in fact, I talk about this idea quite a bit on my channel. I guess I can add some links to something called surprisal theory. This is something that Claude Shannon got the ball rolling for. But the surprisal for a random event is log base 2 of 1 over the probability of that event occurring by chance alone. And in this case, it comes out to be 10.3 bits. And the most common interpretation of these surprisal bits is to view them in terms of ordinary coin tosses. So this very much is like taking 10 fair coins, tossing them, calling for heads on all of them, and then watching nature run its course and all of those coins land heads up, which is extremely unlikely. And in fact, what you saw here today is even less likely than that. Okay, so I thought I would share this fun little effect with you. It's using a newer idea on my channel. It's called CATO-Odd mixing and separation. So I can add some links in the description below. That's the card flipping portion of all of this. So thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.